Good morning, and thank you for watching another Amali Gardens video. Just wanted to do an update and just to give you uh, some updates on some projects that we're going to be doing. Well, I just wanted to start off here on the deck. We're going to do three things this morning. Take a look at what's going on here with the potted plants on the deck. Then we're going to go down in the garden and see what's going on at the garden level and then the grow bags. Then I want to show you the slips that I have growing for the potatoes inside, as well as the avocado. And we'll be also looking at the project, the worm towers that I'm planning to build. So here on the deck, the lemongrass is booming, doing great, and so is the moringa. I have some leeks right in here that I need to transplant somewhere because they're not doing well being in this for so long. And actually, they got dried out yesterday a bit, so they're recovering. And down there, that's that pepper. And actually, some of these seedlings sprouted after all. I have bell peppers and two eggplants. And I think I have another eggplant emerging. So that's great. That's going to be really good. And then over here, these French thyme, they are blowing up. As the stevia is doing well also. And these are the seedlings that still need to be transplanted. Some of them I'll be giving away. I'll definitely be giving away all those cucumbers and tomatoes, but I'm going to be keeping the peppers and eggplants and the other seasonings that I have here. And these are my other herbs. Mint, two types of mint I have here, and then I have catnip, and I have rosemary, lavender, and citronella. Oh, the spinach has been doing exceptionally well. I've been harvesting spinach just about every day, and see, I have more leaves here to harvest, so that's doing really well. I'm really happy with how that spinach performed up here in this pot on this deck. So I think I'm gonna get a couple more pots like this and grow my spinach like this. It's easy to get to from the house, from the kitchen, and it's really great. Basil is beginning to really sprout and do its thing, so that's good, and so is the oregano, so that's good. Down here we have in the grow bags, we have the pumpkins that are also doing really good in the grow bag, so really pleased with how those are going. And here are my pineapples. I think they're bouncing back. Haven't seen anything come of the ginger as yet. That's right there. And my strawberries. I was out here and I think I had written in my journal that some creatures or critters were coming and eating all my strawberries. And actually, I think they may have come and cleaned them off, but my daughter came up with this concept of surrounding the strawberry plant with these sticks to prevent them from getting to the strawberries. But I'm not sure how effective that was or what happened, but we'll let it be and see what happens. Over here we have our tomatoes that are growing really well. These are the Roma tomatoes right here. And over there are the other varieties. And then right here in the middle, those are the cherry tomatoes that we have growing. And right in this location right here is where our peppers are going to go. You notice those heaps of weeds. Although I'm using the back to Eden method and I have the wood chips, there's still a few weeds that pop up every now and then. So I come out every morning or every chance I get and pull up a couple weeds, and I put them in a pile instead of throwing them away. And this forms a good place where earthworms can feed and then go back and put their castings. But that's going to be part of the project I'm going to do. And instead of putting this on top, I plan to build or fabricate some worm towers that I'm going to put in the middle of the garden that will have caps. And then when I pull the weeds, I'm going to just drop it inside of that, and the worms can go in and eat them in there and then spread their worm castings throughout the garden bed. Over here I planted, you can see that, and that, and that, and some more over there. And that's actually a bush bean that I threw in there. But those other ones are okra, and those have sprouted and are, look like they're going to do really well. So really happy about that. And those are the other tomatoes over there. And These are my potatoes that are doing really well. This is watermelon seeds that have sprouted. They're doing well. I think these are my asparagus that have the crowns that I put in are shooting up asparagus stems, I guess you call them. And those are my cucumbers that are beginning to really catch on and are flourishing and doing really good. And over here are my cabbage and greens and my lettuce. These romaine lettuce, I have been harvesting romaine lettuce like crazy also. See, I have more to harvest. And I'm going to be harvesting those other heads of regular lettuce this weekend. Um, Family's coming in town, so I'm excited to share something out of the garden with them. So, and then here I have these are cantaloupes that have sprouted as well in here as well. So really excited about that. So that's what's been going on in Amali Gardens. I think I shared with you about the worm towers that I'm going to be building. I think I have maybe 7 of them, so I'm going to have them 2 in this one, 2 in the other one over there, and 3 in this larger U-shaped raised bed. I wanted to show you my compost bin. So see, I have a bunch of holes drilled all along the side of this container. This is so that it can aerate and stay aerobic and not anaerobic and have oxygen flowing, air flowing through. So I usually just throw in my kitchen scraps in here and I come out and I tumble it or mix it every chance I get. So I wanted to show you what's been going on with potatoes, boniato and a regular sweet potato and the avocado. This is the boniato and it has sprouted, has a slip and it's doing great. I think there's another slip in there that you can see down there. That one is going to be coming up, so I'm going to have some slips. That once these get to about 12 inches, then I break them off and root them in some water and then put them outside in one of my pots or grow bags to get some boniato, sweet potato. And this is the regular sweet potato, and that one has also seedlings. I don't know if in my other videos I showed you, I had maybe 6 or 7 of those other sweet potatoes, and they just didn't do well. They began to rot, and they would not root. So you can see all the roots down in here from the sweet potato, as in the boniato as well. The roots are doing really well. So this is the avocado, and I'm just waiting for the avocado to split and send out the root, and then hopefully it will send out a shoot on top. So I was telling you about the worm towers I'm going to be building. So these are the containers that I'm going to be using for that, and as you can see, these are some old coffee cans, plastic cans, and these are some other containers that we had some popcorn and some caramel popcorn. And this is another container I got that I want to use these. I like these type of jars because they have large openings on top, so that it's easy to pop off or screw off and drop your compostable material in. And then I'm gonna drill a bunch. I'm gonna do a video with this project, but I'm gonna drill a whole bunch of holes on the sides, and that's gonna allow the earthworms to get in there and get to the good stuff, and come back out into the soil and spread their worm castings. So that's gonna be the concept or the idea for these, and I'm gonna post another video later on when I do this project, hopefully in the next couple of days. So to conclude this video, I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe and like and share and put the bell so that when new videos come out you can be alerted, and hopefully you can share some of your ideas. I'm not averse to getting suggestions from other gardeners or individuals who are interested in gardening on some ideas of things that you'd like to see planted. So please leave comments, questions, and see you again soon. Thanks for visiting Amali Gardens videos. Thank you.